Did you know that moose are the largest species in the deer family? Known scientifically as Alces alces, these remarkable animals are easily recognized by their impressive size, towering long legs and humped shoulders. But what truly sets them apart, particularly the males, are their distinctive broad palmate or open hand-shaped antlers. Imagine a span as wide as 6 feet across. That's the breadth of some of these incredible antlers. Moose also possess a unique bulbous nose and a bell or dewlap under the throat, adding to their distinctive appearance. Their bodies are a dark brown, but their legs showcase a lighter hue, creating a striking contrast. These magnificent creatures are well adapted to cold environments, with their habitat stretching across northern North America and parts of Europe and Russia. Moose are not just large, they are also inhabitants of some of the most frigid regions of our planet. Like the stoic sentinels of the north, moose are perfectly adapted to life in the cold. Their expansive range covers the boreal forests and subarctic regions of North America, stretching from Alaska to eastern Canada. They can also be spotted across the vast expanse of northern Europe and Russia, where they are known as elk. These magnificent creatures make their homes amidst dense forests, marshy bogs, and along the edges of lakes and rivers. Such habitats provide them with the essential resources they need: food, water, and cover. But what exactly does a moose eat to fuel its massive body? Well, their diet varies with the seasons. In the winter, when the ground is blanketed with snow, moose are primarily browsers. They munch on young shoots, bark, and leaves of woody plants such as willow, birch, and aspen. Their long legs and flexible necks allow them to reach high into the trees to access this food source. As the snow melts and summer takes hold, they add a twist to their diet. They wade into lakes and ponds, submerging their heads to graze on aquatic plants. This aquatic vegetation is a rich source of sodium, a nutrient that's scarce in their usual woody diet. Their unique diet allows them to thrive in these cold environments where few other animals can survive. So, the next time you picture a moose, imagine it knee-deep in a chilly pond, happily munching away on its underwater salad. Moose lead mostly solitary lives, but they know when it's time to socialize. Isn't that intriguing? These majestic creatures prefer a life of solitude, wandering the vast forests and subarctic regions they call home. Yet when the leaves start to fall and the air grows crisp, their behavior shifts in a remarkable way. As autumn sets in, the tranquil silence of the wilderness is broken by the loud, resonating calls of the male moose. These calls, echoing through the forests, serve a critical purpose. They are the siren songs to attract the attention of females. This is the time when the otherwise peaceful moose engage in fierce competition. Male moose, with their impressive antlers spanning up to 6 feet, may lock horns in a battle of strength and endurance, each striving to prove their might and win over the females. And as the cold winter subsides, giving way to the warmth of spring, there's another shift in their behavior. Female moose, after a gestation period that spans the harsh winter months, give birth to 1 or 2 calves. These young ones, born into the world after the snow melts and the flora blooms again, symbolize the cycle of life continuing unabated in the wilderness. Their adaptation to a solitary life, except for the mating season, is a fascinating aspect of their behavior. Moose don't just live in their ecosystems, they play a crucial role in shaping them. These majestic creatures are nature's gardeners, if you will, influencing the composition of the forest. They selectively feed on certain types of vegetation, promoting the growth of plant species they don't typically eat. This selective foraging helps maintain a healthy and diverse forest ecosystem. But their role doesn't stop there. Moose also serve as a vital link in the food chain. They provide prey for predators like wolves and bears, maintaining a balance in the predator-prey dynamics. This balance is essential for the overall health and diversity of the ecosystem. Now, you might be wondering, why are we so interested in the population and health of moose? Well, they serve as a mirror to their environment. Their population trends and health status are closely monitored, as they can tell us a lot about environmental changes and the quality of their habitats. A decline in moose numbers could signal problems like disease outbreak, habitat loss, or climate change impacts. So, the next time you think of a moose, remember they're not just the largest deer species, they're also key players in their ecosystems and indicators of environmental health.